Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about starting my English language channel because I was thinking that if I start English language channel, then who will watch my videos, because there is so much competition in the world. English is international language and there is too much competition, and in this competition how my videos would go viral. So I was thinking that I should not make the English language channel. I should work on my regional language. Then I thought that if I have learned in my previous time, I faced so many problems while learning some of words of English language. I am not too much expert, but a little able to speak some things. Then what use? So I should make the use of my English learning and I should make the English language channel to show my talent, to show my activities, to show my old stories with the world. Because when we make the videos in our regional languages, we have the less community to show our talent. Whenever we make the videos in English language, we have the vast area, we have the worldwide area to send our stories, to share our ideas with others. Because there are so many countries in the world, and in each and every country there are so many people those are familiar with English language, and they can understand English language, and you can communicate with them through this language. And in this way I started this English language channel. And probably here is too much competition in this field, because when it comes to the language, English language has much competition than other languages. When we make a channel in our local languages, then we have the less competition. Then we make the channel in our national language, then we have a little competition. But whenever you make the channel in English language, you have to face the big challenge, the competition with the whole world. So to compete the whole world and to get your place in the internet to get your place in internet, you need a lot of hard work, lot of talent, and lot of things to do. And sometimes it requires the luck. If you are lucky, your video can be viral. And if you are not lucky, I have watched so many videos that people have made more than 1,000 videos, but no one video went viral. But some people made only 50 videos, 20 videos, and one of those videos go viral, and their channel progressed. In this way, I thought that perhaps I will be lucky in some way. Perhaps with the help of God, one day one of my video will go viral, and in this way my channel will be promoted, and I will do the videos after proper work. Right now I'm uploading the videos not after proper work. I just put the chair here and mobile camera on the table and start speaking. I sometimes don't think of the topic, that on what topic I will speak. Randomly I sit on the chair and start talking whatever comes into my mind about my previous lives. Because when you have too much stories in your previous lives, then you don't need to think of the topics. There are so many topics to discuss, and in each and every topic has so many details that you can discuss on that topic. So in this way I have plan to make this English language channel, and for that I require your support and encouragement to promote this channel. And because this is the new channel up to this video, and hope in future this channel will progress, and I request you to subscribe this channel, and also give your suggestions, your feedback to make the videos of this channel more better, more beautiful, and on what topic you want to watch videos on this channel. Give your suggestions below in comment box, and allow me from this video Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.